Walking Macau Streets. Dear Lord, show me a sign. Give me a map. Oh yeah.
Okay, another Macau one for you. This one is Poco. So this one is just a little bit of a steep uphill going into the St. Lazarus district. And we'll just show you the map right away. You got a little bit of images as well. And let's just get right into it because I know that you came here to see me exploring the street and walking up around and seeing what it's all about. Let's do it. Poco, Macau. Posada de Poco? I think I've done this one, but I don't know if I think I've done it in a different space, but we're going to do it again today. And we're going to, I think I usually do it at the other end of the street. But we're going to go up in that direction, and then before we even go down, we're going to show you this space right here and try to give you a little idea of some other stuff around here. There's even like lucky dogs, and I'll tell you about this street too. So let me just get started with this one. But this is going to be our target street. Posada de Poco. By the way, there's a lot of people doing this right here. We're going to walk by that in a little bit as well. So they're doing like fire, putting incense to the ancestors. I can't really film it, but I'll talk about it. I shouldn't film it. But we're gonna go that way in a moment. But before we do, just kind of take a look up here. So this street right here is called Rua de Campo. There's a hot dog stand right there. And then this goes all the way down into the southern part of the city towards the casinos and all the historic stuff. There's a little street right here called Colina. So that one just kind of goes all the way up like that towards São Januário Hospital. But we're going to be going up the opposite way, so we're going to show you that direction in a moment. Before we go up, I also just want to share something else real quick too. There's some places you can go across the street, including that space. But that space right there, there's like a little angel like right in that space. Right there. So there's an angel right there. I'll talk about that in a little bit as well. And we got some kind of crowded streets today, so let's meander up our street in a minute, which is Poco Street. So that's going to be our target street right here. So we got a couple things that we're going to do. I'm going to talk about the angel picture. That's kind of cool right there as well. And then I'm also going to kind of talk about that little incense up there. I'll try not to film it or make it a key point. So this is this Poco Street, Poco Posada. So let me talk about the angel first. But to me, what's interesting is it's my first time to notice the angel. But right there where that corrugated metal is at, there was a homeless American guy, veteran, who was fought in he was in the Navy for many years, but I know him, but he went homeless, so he was living in there. And he had his stuff in there, like I remember seeing electronic keyboard and guitar and stuff. He had it inside that corrugated metal spot. And so I was just kind of checking to see if he was still around. That was just about a week ago that he got kicked out of that spot because he was squatting it, right? But then I just saw the angel above it, so I thought that was kind of cool. Anyways, I'm not going to talk about that one. And then this fire right here is because it's for the spirits. But I'm just going to target these, show off these streets a little bit. This is the long street. It goes all the way down to St. Michael's Cemetery, all the way down. And through São Lazaro Street as well. Got some nice little places to sit, these little plazas. So that's a place to sit and overlook, and then this right here is all the trash and garbage and such like that. So, and we also got something kind of interesting right here too, because we have a little bit of a business right there. Okay, so what we're gonna do is go up the street a little bit. We're gonna walk up that way, and I'm gonna just focus on these stairs and kind of meander up, and then we're gonna look back down in a moment. Yeah, I think usually I film more up here, so this will probably be the first one where I really go the opposite way. And there's actually all these little alleys in here too. Not a lot, sorry. And there's another store. But this one you can go into the back side, and this is all the way through this Salazar. Kind of interesting. So yeah, that little spot is for the ancestors, the fire part. But it's not my focus, it's something that happens a lot at this time of year. Look at all these mailboxes. That's the studio. Huh. It's kind of cool. Those are what a lot of the mailboxes look like in Macau. So they kind of capture it well. It's like a little tourist shop with Sao Paulo ruins. Sao Paulo ruins is just up over there. It's really close to here. So let me just kind of come around. This goes up towards Sao Paulo ruins in a roundabout way. And that goes down to Salazar. Casada de Poco. Okay. Trying to show, this is like a denim store right there. It has like a little bit of American, vintage American casual. Let's see if I can step back a little bit, if I can. There you go. And then this whole area has some, there's somebody in there too. There's a nice motorcycle. And somebody in that jean shop, denim shop. And also you can check out some of the balconies, like that one up at the top there. So somebody has that balcony, and they have a rain guard up there as well. So this is all part of Poco, Casada de Pozos. We got a guitar center coming up on the right here. We'll focus on that in a minute. And I believe this turns into a different street soon, shortly. I think it turns into St. Miguel Street, San Miguel. So that's still this Pozos. And then you have a little guitar center. This is usually closed. Looks like it's open. They're doing music lessons today. So there's Casada de Poco right there. That's actually going to be the end of our street. There's some patios going up. The patios are just little residential places. I don't know how that car got there though. Must be another way to get in there. Oh, Beco de Boa Vista. There is another way to go up, but I didn't know. You see that car? Okay, so this is going to be the end of Poco Street. And just to kind of give you an idea, this is St. Roque Street, right there. And we also have St. Miguel Street, so they change. And there's another patio that goes up. I don't know why this is closed right now. So this is St. Michael Street. It goes into Salazar, and then St. Roque is that one right there. And we're just gonna walk back. I'm actually checking this out because a lot of expats get their haircut here, and I've been getting my haircut here recently as well. So I'm kind of surprised that that's closed right now, because I'm supposed to I have an appointment there. That's what I'm doing in this area. I was hanging out in this area for that reason. Okay. So this is our target street, which is Poco's, and I'm gonna check out what's the deal with that haircut place.
Toma cuidado la voz minha.